Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our Photoshop application, and then after we have this Photoshop application opened, we can choose a photo we want to change the background on. For instance, I'm going with this photo. I'm going to change the background color of this photo. We can go to the background option, guys, right here, and then you just need to choose like the color you want to apply to your photo. For example, I'm gonna go with this color. Once you're done, you just need to click on this save button to save this photo to your device. Okay, and now as you can see that my photo has been saved to my gallery, and that's how we can change the background color of our photo using the Photoshop application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.